Hey, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to the channel. My name's Ed. Please subscribe if you like the content. It's totally free to do so. And hit the like button at the end if you like the video. Thanks. Very sketchy out here today, this morning, fellas. We got the fog. Got a bird. Doesn't really look like he's on or anything yet. You got birds working straight out. Birds working straight out. Oh yeah, bro, there's a feeding frenzy over here, guys.
We on, boy, we on.
Woo! We found him, fellas. Dude, right at the end, he missed it like 2 times, and he came and snatched that.
Yo, MC, where the fish at? Straight out, bro. Bird frenzy.
We're on a bite.
I hear you guys screaming.
Yeah, straight out. You probably can't see us yet. We're on, though.
I'm right behind you guys.
All right.
To your right.
Roger that. I'm gonna release this guy real quick. Dude, they're moving quick. I think those are bonitos. They're moving too quick. Whatever this feed was, I think they're bonitos, these ones. Yeah? Dude, I think that's your best bet right now. They're moving way too fast to be stripers. Beats me. They're over there now. Yeah, those gotta be bones. Way too fast to be stripers. Yo, Abe, you still got that blitz?
Yes, sir. I just released my first striper.
Sweet. Whatever's over here, I think they're bones, bro. They're moving way too fast. See color yet? What is it? Striper? Bone, bone. I knew they were bones.
Ed, I'm gonna go over to the fray. You need an epoxy or you got one?
Negative. I'm all set for now.
No, who wants this? Anybody want this?
I'm on, guys. I think I got my bonito.
Got it. You don't got it. I stand it.
Yes, sir, boy.
Keep them around. We're on our way. We're on our way. Bonito sashimi, the best.
All right, I'm keeping this one.
Bleed it out right away. Just bleed it out.
Roger that.
Try to keep it cold if you can. What do you hit?
There it is, guys. Hoot, there it is. Yeah, I got another one on.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Tell me where you at, man.
I got bonito heaven over here. Woo!
Yeah, I'm trying to go fast as fuck. Where you going, Moose? I think you're going the wrong way, boy.
Fish on. Damn, he came off again. Every time I use the radio. Dude, I just lost another one, bro.
The other fish to wait, bro. I'm on my way.
I'm on. Yep. I'm on again, man. I don't know yet. Feels bigger than the one I already got for sure. Or it's giving me a better fight at least. Peanut bunker color, like blue and oh, he came off. Every time I'm on the radio, dog. Blue and yellow and silver. Dude, I got the same color right here.
You get it?
Yeah, dude. Look how identical these are.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, let me get that.
They're on? All right.
Let's go.
That's what you come out here for, huh? Oh, I'm on. Let's go. Woo! Oh, he came off right there, bro. What, you got, a striper? All right. I had a bone for sure. Mine was a bone.
On to your left, 3 o'clock. No, sorry,
Oh, I'm on.
9 o'clock, my other left.
You got hit? Yes, sir. Striper, this one. All right, down under my left leg is a bluefish that I caught, but I did not get on film. I don't typically keep bluefish, but I got a nice neighbor who asked me for one, so I went ahead and kept that one. See ya. I kept the blue though. I'm gonna bleed him out.
Get it.
You're fine, dude.
Oh, hey, you caught the bonitos in here too?
No, striper and blue.
They were out there.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It's totally free to do so. And don't forget to tap the thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks. Stay blessed and stay hooked, anglers. See you on the next one.